Friends, if you are in Slovenia country and you are not having network in your geo number, then what are the plans available for you to use in the Slovenia country for the geo number? So what I'm gonna do here is I will search for the geo international roaming. Okay, I will search for this, and here the first link, I will open this link. Okay, then I have to choose the country where I am traveling to. Okay, so it will take some time to load. Till the time I will tell you that if you are facing any kind of issue, you can WhatsApp me. My mobile number is given in this video's description. You can directly contact me through the WhatsApp if you are not having network or any kind of issue. And I suggest you, if you don't have network in your geo number, so don't. It will be better to don't. It will be better to not recharge your number. You can directly WhatsApp me, and I will be able to activate your number, but the service is chargeable. You have to pay my service charges for that. Okay, so here it takes some time, so let me go back and open the link again, and here we go. I don't know why it's taking so much time. Well, let's open the second link. Here you go. Here you have to click on this check geo world packs. So I'm gonna click here, and from here we have to select the country. So we are searching for the Slovenia. So here's the Slovenia. Okay, Slovenia country. Click on the show plans. After clicking here, you will see the recharge category. These are the popular plans. These are true 5G plans. So what we have to do, we have to scroll this like this, and then we have to tap on the international roaming. Here you can see that the country is selected as Slovenia, and whatever the packs you are seeing here, these are all packs available in Slovenia country, right? So there are multiple categories of packs. So this is IR, voice and data packs. In these packs you will get voice benefits and data benefits. Okay, so there are other categories as well. So what I'm going to do is I will select this minus button, and it will show me other plans also. Here you can see the global packs with Wi-Fi calling, data packs only, global packs with Wi-Fi calling. So whatever the pack fits your needs, you can recharge with that. But I strongly suggest to you, if you have recharged your number and you are not getting network, you can directly contact me through WhatsApp for the solution of that problem. Okay, so let's discuss about the packs. If we discuss about the packs, we will first we will show this pack 2899. In this pack, it is having in-flight benefits also. It means that it will work in your flight also. If you are coming from India or any other country, so it will work in that. But there should be, it should be in the compatible flight. I will tell you later on what actually I want to say. So here you can see in 2899 what you will get: 30 days validity in this pack, and you are getting voice 200 minutes and 100 SMS. These are the outgoing SMSs, 100. Incoming SMS is free always, and you will get 5 GB of data. Understand? So this is the total 5 GB data you will get in 2899 pack. After expiry of this 5 GB data, your speed will be reduced at 64 kbps per second. Means your speed will be reduced to 2G. So if I select this pack, you can check it here with the detailed information: outgoing calls, local plus call back to India, 100 minutes. Incoming calls, for incoming calls also you will be getting 100 minutes. For mobile data, 5 GB high speed data, thereafter unlimited at 64 kbps that I was telling you. Okay, so 100 SMS, these are outgoing SMS, incoming SMS free. Pack is valid for 30 days. You can check that also. Okay, so in which country this pack is applicable, you can check the list of countries here. Understand? So this is it, and these are some important notes. You can check out these notes. So this is for this pack, and there's one more pack, 1499 pack is there. There is 2799. You can check the description of all these packs. Okay, So if you don't want data, you want only voice, you can go with the global pack without Wi-Fi calling. But they don't have only voice packs, actually they have IR voice and data packs, and they have, and this pack is also there, global pack with Wi-Fi calling, 1102 pack. Okay, this pack is, in this pack you will get the IR usage. Okay, so this balance will be used for the usage, whatever the usage you do. If you do calls, the charges will be deducted from this balance, understand? So this is for the Slovenia country. If you are there and if facing any kind of issue, if you have any other number like Airtel or Vodafone, or okay, and facing any kind of issue with your UPI apps or anything else, so I am providing services regarding these problems, so you can WhatsApp me. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Thank you so much.